अकेले में जाके रोना चाहते हैं, बट दे आर पुटिंग अप अ स्माइलिंग फेस ऑलवेज बिकॉज they have to rope in a new unpaid sales representative. Hi, never make losses, our tagline. Friends, network marketing, direct selling, wrong words use करती है. Network marketing industry, direct selling business. Always these suffixes are used repeatedly to make you believe that this is a business, whereas this is neither an industry nor a business. जो लोग ऑलरेडी इसमें है ना, दे आर्ग्यू के हाउ कम नेटवर्क मार्केटर्स कुड लूज व्हेन दे हैव हार्डली इन्वेस्टेड एनी मनी, भाई साहब जस्ट 10 या 20,000 रुपीज, उससे तो ज्यादा लाखों रुपए बिजनेस में लग जाते हैं. चलिए, लेट अस अज्यूम समबडी हैज जॉइंड एनी नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म 2 years ago. तो बताइए, हैजंट ही इन्वेस्टेड हिज टाइम, एनर्जी, ओवरहेड्स, गिमिक्स, 25 झूठ बोले होंगे, एक्सप्लॉइटिंग हिज कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट, एक्स्ट्रा वर्किंग आवर्स एवरी डे फॉर 2 years? Isn't it a valuable investment? And he also lost what he could have easily earned by working in a normal job. Opportunity lost is an opportunity cost. मगर अफसोस इस बात का है कि this person doesn't even realize that he is being taken for a ride. It is a form of arrangement in which each new joining person recruits 3 people further. पिछले लोगों की रिटर्न्स कहां से आएगी? जो न्यू बंदा ऐड होगा उसी की कंट्रीब्यूशन से आएगी. स्टार्टिंग में इन बेचारों को कुछ गोल्डन प्रोमिसेस किए जाते हैं, लाइक you shall be making easy money by doing what you love and making new friends. You have to work with a positive mindset and success is all yours. Do not listen to negativity, not even from your family and friends. Keep yourself and your status always positive. You will gain a huge X amount in Y years. लेकिन ये थोड़े टाइम बाद इंटरचेंज हो जाता है. You gain only Y amount in X years. लेकिन by the time the network marketers realize that they are part of the scam, they already have added 10 other people. And जैसे passing the parcel खेलते हैं ना, तो उन 10 ने भी 10 और को ऐड कर दिया होता है, and it becomes too late for the regrets. देखिए, joining multi-level marketing is really a stupid thing one can get himself in, and the only way to exit is to find somebody more stupid than you. Irony. These networkers, they don't know that they are serving to make 0.4% at the top of the pyramid range. बाकी लोग पैसे नहीं कमाएंगे क्योंकि मैक्सिमम कमीशन उन 0.4% लोगों के पास जा रहा है. This means out of every 1,000 people who join a MLM company, 996 will lose. John Taylor from Consumer Awareness Institute in US has published a research study on network marketing. This model is mathematically designed in such a manner that the people in the middle of the chain and the new recruits at the bottom, they can't make money. ये मॉडल झूठी उम्मीद पर टिका होता है. जैसे मौत से बड़ा कोई सच नहीं होता ना, वैसे ही उम्मीद से बड़ा कोई झूठ नहीं होता. These network marketers are self-proclaimed entrepreneurs. They love to describe themselves as business owners because they have been brainwashed to feel like that. And बात भी सही है, अगर ऐसे नहीं समझाएंगे कि आप बिजनेस ओनर्स बनने वाले हो तो कोई आएगा ही. बट द फैक्ट इज दैट दे आर नीदर बिजनेस ओनर्स नॉर सैलरीड एम्प्लॉइज. इनके लिए करेक्ट टर्म है अनपेड सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. Business owners इसलिए नहीं हैं because they can't get to choose their product range, they can't select the vendors for the best deals, they can't decide what profit margins they want to make, their commission level is already preset by some unknown people, their situation is not even at par with any company employees. Because क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि भाई they don't draw salaries, there is no guaranteed income or employee benefit, all hours are working hours, no paid or unpaid holidays. Sometimes I pity these guys who in reality they want to cry, अकेले में जाके रोना चाहते हैं, but they are putting up a smiling face always because they have to rope in a new unpaid sales representative. So sorry, business owner. तो सवाल ये उठता है कि if most people can't make money in multi-level, then why do so many people stay with them? The truth is that they don't stay. होता क्या है कि when somebody joins the multi-level, then he will call his friends and relatives to tell them, but when he leaves, he quietly चुपके से सरक लेगा. अब सबको थोड़ी बताएगा कि मेरा बेवकूफ बन गया है. अगर किसी नेटवर्कर को आप ये वीडियो दिखाओगे भी ना, तो बोलेगा कि भाई ये तो नेगेटिविटी है, लेकिन उन सारे पॉइंट्स के जवाब भी नहीं दे पाएगा जो मैंने ऊपर अभी आपको बोले. सो थिंक अबाउट इट दैट शुड इट बी कॉल्ड नेटवर्किंग और नॉट वर्किंग. To summarize, next time when someone tries to convince you that he is doing so well in network marketing, ask him for his tax returns showing the profit he has posted from network marketing. Perhaps he will need some hiring space. और इसको शेयर करना और इस पे 1 लाख व्यूज लाना आप लोगों की जिम्मेवारी है ताकि बाकी लोगों को बचा सके. We are Kaizen Financial Consultancy. We learn a few courses including one which is called FDI, Fraud Detecting IQ. Stay vigilant. Take care. Bye.